And back to the Ford Transit Connect. Today we're going to replace strut spring assembly on 2010 Ford Crab Transit Connect due to bouncy front end and hammering noise like this one. So we are starting with the tools. We need 15mm for lower strut mount, 13mm for upper under the hood, 15mm for link stabilizer, also could be whatever if link was replaced. Mine, for example, 17mm, extra floor jack, rubber hammer, WD-40, 5mm Allen key. Impact would be nice. It makes job extremely fast and easy, not in my case. Also, concrete floor would be better than sand. Don't ask me how do I know. Or something solid. An extra pair of hands, about that a little later. Check the car, remove the wheel, pop the hood open, then use the secondary floor jack, not the second pair of hands, to jack the hub assembly to release the tension from the link stabilizer. Or before jacking, you can try to undo the bustard or the nut actually. The idea is that the sway bar gonna pull the link thread down and lock it in, and then you'll be able to remove the nut without the Allen key. But that for lazy people. Otherwise, 15mm wrench in combination with the 5mm Allen key to undo the link nut. After that, make sure to remove the floor jack because that's gonna happen. Now we can remove the 15mm bolt that holding the strut assembly inside the hub. Also use the WD-40 or just pee on it, probably the same stuff. As is shown in the video, I use actually WD-40. At this point, we don't need to hold ourselves any longer. You can smash that piece of crap with a hammer and slowly but surely get the thing out of it. Importante note. Make sure that somebody will hold the hub from popping out from CV axle, since it can pop out as it happened on the other side in my case. So that's, you know, sometimes it happens. Actually, no comments. While you lovely vibe holding that heavy thing from falling, the hub assembly by the way, and meanwhile you jump under the hood, not literally, and start undoing the 13mm nut. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and make sure that the person that are holding the hub also holding your strut. With all of that, we can swivel hub to the right or left and pull the shock out completely. Personally, I left the car in neutral just in case if I'll break something, I will send the car from that 45-degree drive. That's simply to being able to lean that hub, but you also can do without putting the car in neutral, which is going to be a little bit more pain in the butt. But don't forget about safety. If you put in the car in neutral, put the caps under the wheels or piece of brick or anything to prevent car from rolling. Now it's going to be the most important step, which is putting the gearbox in reverse. I'm saying watch the video in reverse. Simply reverse, like from the end to the start. There you go. And after everything is assembled back and we finally test drive it, that bitch still squeaking. At this stage, I did replace everything except sway bar bushing and suspension arms. The arms bushing, the holes or the donut looks just fine, so the last thing is gonna be sway bar bushings, but you know what, mechanic will take care of them because I'm sick of that piece of shiza. I have no enjoyment to work with it and I love my BMW. After all, next video gonna be about engine mounts, especially transmission and rear engine mount, but that's going to happen not that soon. Good luck guys, I hope you did enjoy the video and I got the positive mood for you, and I'll see you in the next one.